Well, Jax and I are breaking camp. I want to show you my setup. Basically, got a tarp looped over some paracord between two tree branches, and then got a couple sticks here. My shovel, I dug it out flat there, kind of a hillside. So we got a little platform and then a back wall and then a front. These tarp bungees are really nice. I forgot my tent stakes, so I made carved tent stakes out of some oak. So yeah, we got it. There's a stake here that's holding it down too. Back here, what you do is you take a stone and put it in the tarp, and then you tie a knot around the stone. That way you can hold the tarp. You like it, Jax? You leave that on. You leave those on.